Hello everyone, this is Anne, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. So today I will show you how to use your vacuum sealer to seal jars. Very easy to do, 20 seconds and it's done. I will use my Nutrichef together with the FoodSaver parts and show you how to hook it up and how it works. Let's start with some jars. So here is the Nutrichef vacuum sealer that I got off Amazon. Very quick delivery, 24 hours, got it home. And here is the little thing, very light. It doesn't take much space. Look at my hand. So pretty small. A few options, as you can see here, which we are not going to use to seal jars. So this is made for the plastic bags. You've got different modes, normal, gentle, dry or moist. You can just seal or vacuum seal. The only one we might need here is a stop if you want to stop in the middle of the process. Otherwise, it's all happening inside. So this is the inside here. And here you have the little opening for the vacuum. And here it says, I don't know if you can read it, but it says canister right there. So this is the button we will need. And to link it to your jars, this is what I bought also on Amazon. Same 24 hours delivery, that was very neat. So this is for regular mouth and wide mouth, and that is what you need to link the two. So let me show you with one of my jars. All right, our vacuum sealer, and this is our jar. So we just put the lid and we are going to plug this one. Oops, let me move it. This one right there. We take the wide mouth, so this is regular, this is the wide. So to put it on top, put this one in, and then we just press on that button. You're gonna hear a little noise. And that is it, 20 seconds. So we take this, whoops, you heard the little chipped. We take it off here. We gently remove the top here, the lid. And that's it. So you can see, vacuum seal, you don't have the little bump at the top. And then we're all good to go. We can place the lid on. And the jar is vacuum sealed. This is good to go. Not sure how long it will last. Not sure how long we're gonna keep it, because this is so good we're gonna want to eat it. But it's I put a few desiccant in addition just in case. But that's pretty much how you vacuum seal a jar using the Nutrichef. So extremely easy. And it works fine. This is actually the FoodSaver brand. I don't know if you can read, it says FoodSaver jar sealer. So I'm putting the link of this. I got off Amazon. Came with all these pretty much, as well as a Nutrichef. Great purchase. I mean, I really enjoy it. We're gonna keep sealing our jars now. Thank you guys for watching. If you appreciate, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share, please. Thank you so much. Another trial here, another example. This is a very small jar that I use to put my blueberries, dry blueberries. So same process, we put the lid. I'm hooking this one up here. We put the lid, this one is regular mouth, it's a small one. We put it on, hook it all up, and press on canister here. And that is it. Let's see if it pops. Yep, you heard the little pop. So we nicely remove it, gently. And that is it, yeah. The little bump is gone. Already, we can close it. It is sealed. Very nice. I love that new vacuum sealer together with my dehydrator. Let's make some jars.